Here's how to change your Instagram password. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to show you the exact steps to be able to change that password. Even if you don't remember the old one, I'll show you a trick to do it anyway. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the profile button at the bottom right, again on iPhone or Android. And then tap on the three lines at the top right. After you've done that, we're going to tap on Account Center at the top on either device. And then from here, midway down, tap on Password and Security. From here, you can just choose Change Password. And of course, this is for Instagram, so choose your Instagram account. You will need to enter in your current password and your new password twice, and you can choose to log out of other devices. However, if you don't remember what the old password is, I've got you. On your iPhone, you can just swipe down and type in passwords to open up the Passwords app, and just use your Face ID to unlock that or your phone's passcode. And then just search for the Instagram password. On your Android phone, rather, we're going to open up Google Chrome and then tap on the three dots at the top right. And then tap on Settings, scroll down, and just choose Google Password Manager. Similar to the iPhone, you'll be able to see all of your passwords either on your iPhone or Android to autofill it and then change that password. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.